I haven't done any bookkeeping in years.
A community college here had a course.
But what I didn't like is that you go there, you have questions, they help you.
I knew how to do everything that it was saying that we needed to do, but I still felt like I was just going through the motions and, doing what I needed to do and clicking okay and moving forward. So I didn't really feel like I learned that much.
After a year of doing that and still not feeling like I'd been trained the way I was told I would be trained.
And I tried to do my husband's just to enter his credit card charges, to help him with the payroll and all of that. And I couldn't do it.
I had nightmares about putting numbers in wrong places.
And I was like, I'm gonna drown.
There were times where I'm like, I just don't quite understand what I'm doing. A
lot of times I'll second guess myself, like, oh, is this really the right way to do it? Is this the most efficient way? Is this the best way? Is this the, is there an easier way? Or is that, I tend to second guess myself. So to go through and realize
QuickBooks is easier than you think if you have someone that will walk you through the process.
Then one day I ran across Candus Confidence with QuickBooks. And I, looked at one video and I said, that one sounds pretty interesting. And she sounds very uplifting.
And you made it so easy. I just wrote little notes and I kept you up on one of my screens in case I had to go back to you for help.
It was then just so much more than that because, you always have those words of inspiration at the beginning and you're very relatable.
And then you talked about a class that I could do in QuickBooks, Confidence with QuickBooks.
And I was like, oh, okay, another course. When should I take it? And I was thinking maybe not, it was almost tax season and I'm going to be really busy. And I just thought about it and then the light bulb came on and it's like confidence. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for, to have confidence when I'm using QuickBooks.
I get this little note saying, we're going to start up the class if you want to join. Man, I think I was probably the first one.
And I'm like, maybe I should, take a class. And my husband really encouraged me to, maybe you should take a class and learn some more. And so that's when I signed up.
You learn so much because you get to hear other people's questions that at that time may not have come to your mind. And then they ask and you're like, yes.
It's been a lot more helpful than I expected it to be.
And then you have a lifetime access where you can just, keep watching the videos because, of course, it's like watching a movie.
And I honestly don't think that I would be where I am. I was a day or two away from quitting my job when I found you. And I don't know that I would still be working here had I not clicked on your YouTube. Okay, I'll try one more YouTube video and see if I can finally get it through my thick skull. So I honestly don't know if I would still be here had I not found you, Candus. And I do love my job because I love my church. I love the people I work with. But numbers and accounting just wasn't my thing. So thank you, truly from the bottom of my heart.